I know.
Well, what are your thoughts now that you see it?
Here it is. It's it's as good as what I expected, and only for one thing, the back of the seat was missing. But since you're going to put bucket seats in it, you won't need them. But it'd been nice to have the back part. But everything else seems to be good.
Yeah, so the rear bench seat is missing, although it was there in the photos. So you can see I just cleaned up the one seat. Looks like it'll clean up nicely. You know, it looks pretty bad.
Been sitting 2 years.
Yep, 2 years. So the dash is good, the instruments are good. Has the 5-speed, which I don't think most people knew it had, but we knew it had a 5-speed because we knew the car from the Morgan Club. And the mileage on the engine is very low. You can see the impact broke the carburetor here, so we'll just get a new one. But other than that, the engine is unfazed. This, of course, is hopeless, but all the wires are good. Has a generator. Or wait a minute, no, that's an alternator. Alternator, yeah. And
I think a high torque start.
high torque starter. And the whole rear section is good. Although it looks like it was damaged, that bumper there was damaged probably when they moved it. But otherwise, this will be used to, in part, put together this Morgan right here. So that is the plan. And we'll keep you posted. This is, this one here we're looking at was, well, I'll show you the pictures, but we had that about 2.5 years now, and it is only about, I think, 3 separate in terms of the VIN number sequence from this other Morgan we own. So that just kind of happened by chance.